Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and konnichiwa. Watashi wa Anik desu.
Watashi wa Mukni desu.
Watashi wa Adam desu. Watashi tachi wa minase kurasukara kimashita.
And today in this video we will explain to you how we become eco-friendly. Sugi.
Okay, the first introduction project. So, the my project is a reduce, recycle, the concept 3R for a greener future. So, the introduction was management is a major issue today. So, the 3R reduce, recycle help to protect the environment and save resource. So, what are defined as 3R? So, reduce is avoid unnecessary use and cut down on waste, and reuse use items more than once instead of throwing them away, and recycle turn waste into reusable material. So these habits support a cleaner, more sustainable future.
So there are three main objectives of our poster, which is promote awareness, encourage action, and support sustainability. For promoting awareness, we aim to teach the importance of 3Rs in protecting the environment. For encouraging action, we aim to motivate people to practice eco-friendly habits daily. And for supporting sustainability, we aim to help create a cleaner, greener future through proper waste management.
So for the methodology part, we use a lot of approach, which is the first thing we do is topic selections. We choose recycle under the eco-friendly lifestyle theme. And after that, we done some research, which is we compare Japan's 3R culture with Malaysian practices. After we do the research, we do a poster creations, which is we made a Japanese English infographic with eco tips. We use TikTok as a platform sharings, and the last thing is we want to see the interactions between our poster and also the people, because we want to encourage them to have a discussions and also opinions about the eco-friendly.
This slide show the result from sharing our poster on TikTok and other platforms. We received many positive comments. People like that it was colorful, bilingual, and easy to understand. These comments help us improve and show that our message reaches and engage the audience.
Based on those feedbacks we get from TikTok comments, these are all the suggestions of what could be improved on our poster. Number one is adding examples for each R to make it more practical and understandable. For example, recycle. How do we recycle the things that we want to recycle? What should we recycle and what could we recycle? Number two is adding a QR linking to a short video. For example, a QR linking to a YouTube animation that shows how bad waste could pollute our country. And number three is adding a quick fact about Japan's waste to show impact. For example, a fact about how Japanese people handle their waste to ensure their country is always clean. And the last suggestion is to include what not to do for better awareness.
So for the conclusion parts, this project helped us learn how Japanese people care for the environment using the 3R concepts, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. By sharing our poster online, we got useful feedback and help spread eco-friendly ideas. We hope more people will take small steps to protect the earth.
以上で発表終わります。
ご視聴ありがとうございました。
Yo, ichi ni yo.
Bye bye!